This is our 3D printer. It's a filament extrusion printer, which means that it uses spools of plastic filament that are pushed up through to the print head to be deposited to build up the print. Our system has two print cores in the print head, which means that we can use two different filaments during the same print. Now this is really useful, either if we want two different colours of plastic in the print, or we can use two different plastics, one of which is water soluble, so we can dissolve it away after we've made the print. That might sound a bit strange, but it's really useful because it means that we can print overhangs that are supported with the water soluble material. Here's a time lapse of a print being built up from the two different plastics. It's speeded up about 400 times. We bought the printer because we do a lot of 3D imaging in the unit, and we produce 3D models, usually on the computer, as a way of showing the data to people. And that's really useful, but it's even more useful to be able to physically give them something and put it in their hand so that they can actually look at it and interact with it. It's much more natural than looking at something on a computer screen. So we've used the printer a great deal to make models of the different 3D biological systems that our users study, and they use them for publicity and for outreach. But having a 3D printer has given us lots of other opportunities to use it in other useful ways for us. For example, we make lots of different jigs and modifications for our equipment with it. During the pandemic, we've used it a great deal to make brackets and fittings for COVID protection screens to go into laboratories across the hospital. I've also got an interest in underwater archaeology, and I've used it to print out models of some of the local wreck sites.